Hello, welcome back to my tutorial for the full stack developer series. In this video we will learn about the pagination with data JPA. And to apply the pagination with Spring data JPA is very easy. So you can go to the service layer, especially the product service class, and for the method get on products here. In the last video we just used this method to get on the record inside the product table, but now we provide the feature that can get a limit of items and separate it by page. Okay, so the key here is that the file method here, the file method. This method has another version that has a parameters. So that parameter is the page enable. We can add the a variable for this method. So for the service, we need to modify the interface first. And we can go to the interface in the method get all the products. We add more parameters here. Page able. And be careful here, we need to choose the correct page enable from the correct library. We will choose from the Spring framework.data.domain like this, and add the name of the page enable. And we can go back to the product service and add the page enable here. And now we can put this parameter inside the file here, and you see this method return a page. Okay, return a page. So we need to change the return type for this method to the page here, and don't forget to change it in the list in the interface also, page. All right, and now we can go back to the product controller and also change it to the page instead, and also add the pageable for this, and add this for this method. And now we can check it by opening the Postman. Okay, and choose the product API. Now you can, here we see the param tab, and just choose this and add more param here. So the pageable will need you to add some param like page, and we can start the page from 0. Okay, the first page is 0, similar with the 0 from inside an array. Okay, and then the size of a page, for example, I will add 3. Okay, after we add in the parameter page and size, we can send the request. All right, now we have the content with 3 items here from 3, and we also have the some value, some data relative the pageable, like the page number, the page size, and the sort. Okay, and the offsets and something more like this. And now let's change the page to 2, for example. Send. Now we have new 3 items with different IDs. Okay, very easy, right? And this is just the file method, and when you want to apply for the other method, especially the method that you added in the repository. So it's very easy. You just add the pageable inside like this. So this method will automatically apply the pageable for you. Very easy, right? And don't forget to change the return to the page also. Okay. And now if you want to change the name of the parameters, for example, in the parameters of this API, you don't want to use page, you want to change it for another name. So you can do it by go to the resource application properties, and you add, for example, you want to change the page, you can type string data web pageable dot page parameter dash parameter, and by default this is page, and now you can change it to page number, for example. And for the size, you just change the size here, size parameter, and maybe source parameter and something like that. And here I just change one parameter name, just the page. And let's restart the project again. And now you can change the page to the page number like this. Let's send, and the same result. 1 for example, and yeah, we have the different content. And pageable can also support the sorting, so you can add the sort parameters inside this. All right, source parameter, and you can sort by which ID, which field you want to sort. For example, you want to sort by ID, you type the ID, and you put the comment, okay, comments, and then you push the ascend. Okay, so this is the ascend. By default it's ascend, so you can change it to descending instead of ascending, and send. Now you can see we have the reverse of the of here, reverse. And please notice that when you add this sort, the order change, so the content of the page is also changed. So now we see the result is not sorted by the previous result, right? Okay. Alright, so that's it, the sort feature that the pageable support. Okay, just using the sort parameter and add the ID, commas, descending, or you want to sort by name, you can add name, commas, and the option of sorting. Alright, I think that's all for this video, and if you have any questions, please comment below, and if you like the video, please click on the button like and subscribe the channel. And thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.